Hello and welcome to Dimension Quest. In my previous video on installing pfSense Community Edition in VMware Workstation, I neglected to install the VM tools. So in this quick little video, I'll go ahead and show how to do that and how to confirm whether or not the tools are installed and running. Now I do have my VMware Workstation running here, and we can see I'm currently connected to the Ubuntu 22.04.2 VM. If I right click on this tab here, I can see that Reinstall VMware Tools is grayed out. Now, if I look over here on the pfSense VM and I right-click, note how it is not grayed out. Install VMware Tools is enabled here. Now, there's a small issue here. This link, this button is not going to work from the menu. And that's because VMware has discontinued the installation of their VMware Tools via these Perl scripts. And if you try clicking on this, you get this lovely little error message to let you know that. Now, the same thing applies for Linux-based VMware Tools. So in order to get VM Tools installed, you need to use the Open VM Tools package, which is easy enough to install in Ubuntu, Linux, Fedora, all the major distributions. Even here in our pfSense appliance, it's pretty easy to do. What you'll need to do is head back over to a VM that you have on the same management network for your LAN interface of the pfSense appliance. Then you click on System, select Package Manager, and you can see here I haven't installed any packages yet, so I'll click over to Available Packages, and I will search for Open-VM. And we can see here that Open VM Tools is available, so I'll go ahead and click on Install. And we'll confirm. Now, whenever you're running virtual machines under VMware software, you do want to go ahead and install either the VMware Tools for Windows-based VMs or Open VM Tools for any Linux or FreeBSD-based VMs such as pfSense. This will allow for better utilization of the network as well as memory and other performance enhancements. Okay, it looks like there's the success there at the bottom. So let's right-click on our tab here again. And now we have Reinstall. Notice it's not saying Install. So this acknowledges that the VMware Tools have been installed and they are being detected here. Now if I right-click and I select Power, Shutdown Guest, and click on Shutdown, we can see that pfSense is now shutting down. This is doing a graceful shutdown. If I did not have the Open VM Tools installed, and I did that right-click and did the same menu option, then the equivalent of pulling the power plug out of the machine would have taken place. It would have been just a simple power cut, hard power off, no graceful shutdown of all the services. Okay, that will wrap up today's video. If you like my content, make sure you hit that little like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you'd like to be notified of my next video, go ahead and hit on that bell icon. Thanks and have a great week.